All right, let's see how much it costs to replace the carpet in these rooms. So the units that were given to you were in mixed unit of feet and inches. So it is best to go ahead and change everything into either feet or into inches. And if I change it into feet, I have to use decimal, and I really don't like that. So I'm just going to change everything into inches, right? So 12 inches in 1 foot. So for here, let's say 11 feet, 3 inches, 11 times 12, and then plus 3. That's how we change into feet and inches. So as far as like how, what are we carpeting? We're carpeting these rooms, the 2 bedrooms and the living room. So what we need to do is to go and find the area, right? So when you're talking about carpeting, you are covering the flat space, which defines area. So this would be 18090 square inches. Okay, and then the other one is 146 times 280, which would give us 40880 square inches. Okay, and then 149 multiplied by 172, that will give us 25628 square inches. Okay, so in total, you would say that the area that you need to put carpet in there would be the sum of all of these areas added together. So let's go and type that into our calculator. I have 84598. The unit is square inches. Okay, now how is the carpeting company charging you? $45 per square yard. $45 is to 1 square yard, right? So the question here is, how do you go from square inches to square yards so you can use that? Well, we know that 12 inches is in 1 foot. So when we square both sides, we will see that 144 square inches is in 1 square foot. And that's the unit, the conversion that we're going to use. And then also, we know that 1 yard is 3 feet. So when we go and square both sides, 1 square yard is 9 square feet. So what we would need to do now is just line up our units to make it work for us. The starting point is going to be 84598 square inches, and we want to end in blank dollar because the question is asking how much money, right? So we will use 144 square inches is in 1 square foot, and we will see that the unit here will cancel out like that, and then we will say 9 square feet is in 1 square yard, and then you would have square feet cancel with square feet. And the last thing we're going to put in there is that the company is going to charge us $45 per 1 square yard. So then here you would say square yard, and all we have to do now is to go ahead and do the calculations in terms of multiplying. So the numerator will have this number multiplied by 45, and the numerator the denominator is going to have 144 times 9. And don't forget, you are going to put all of that in the parentheses so you know that the calculator is going to divide by 144 times 9, not just divided by 144 and then multiply by 9 if you don't put the parentheses around it. So I have 2,938 roughly dollar if we were to make that calculation. Okay, so the lesson here to learn is to go from linear unit to unit of area. We need to square both sides before we use it. Okay, just like that.